Hello friends, Sarah here with the Children's Museum of Eau Claire, and today we are going to make some banana bread. So obviously it's getting nice and chilly outside, so it's a great time to make some of those yummy breads that we've had before. Zucchini bread, you can make squash bread, apple cinnamon bread, but we're gonna make my grandma's banana bread recipe. So I'll post that recipe at the end as well, but here we go. Okay, so the first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna have our overly ripened bananas. We're gonna peel all of them. The recipe calls for 3 to 4 bananas. I'm gonna use 4. You're gonna peel them, and I'm gonna put my peels in my compost because I have my compost bin, and I've told you guys about that before. So if you want more info on that, go ahead and send me a message. But we're gonna put all of our bananas into our bowl, and then we're gonna use a fork and we're gonna mush them up. So you're gonna peel all 4 of your bananas or 3 of your bananas, however many you have. If you wanna double the batch, you can have more than that. But this is a super fun step for those kiddos because they can get really messy and they can mush up those bananas. So once I get all of them in there, you're gonna mush it up just like this so they're nice and soft and just kind of slimy. Okay, so once you have all of your bananas mushed up, I'm gonna add all of my kind of liquid stuff. So I'm gonna add my butter. I've softened mine a little bit, but it calls for 1/4 cup of butter or margarine if you'd like. You can, if you want to make this a vegan dish, you could substitute in avocado for your butter for that fat, which is super yummy. It kind of gives it another little spin on the banana bread. So I'm going to add my butter, and then we're going to add 2 eggs. And I'm going to put my eggshells in the compost with my banana peels as well. So 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. So I'm gonna add all of that in there, and then I'm gonna mix that up with my bananas. So once we have all of our liquid ingredients in there, we're gonna put in our dry ingredients. So I have my baking soda and my baking powder in there, and now I'm gonna add in my sugar and my flour. So I need 3/4 cup of sugar. So I'm gonna put in those. I like to use the smaller ones, which are super fun to work with kids because then they feel like they're doing more. So I like to use the 4th cup for that one rather than a 1/2 and a 1/4. And then I'm gonna put in 2 1/4 cup of flour. So I'm gonna use the 4th cup, and then I'm gonna use 2 of the big cups. And it works really well to use the smaller ones as well if you have multiple children, because then everyone gets a chance as well. So I'm gonna have all of my dry ingredients in there. And then I'm gonna mix it all up. And then if you want to make it a little fancy or a little fun, you can add in some chocolate chips if you wanted, or you could make some kind of frosting to go on top of your banana bread. Okay, so we have all of our mix mixed up there, all of our batter. So I'm gonna take my cake pans and I'm gonna spray them with some Pam. And then I'm also gonna take some little cake pans and I'm gonna make those ones into chocolate chip banana bread.